What if our reality is just a shadow of something deeper? We're exploring a wild new way to unify physics.
So, physics has this big problem. The simple energy formula from school, it doesn't match the relativistic one. Why not?
All right, here's the plan. We'll start with that energy puzzle and build towards a totally new view of reality.
And it all comes down to just three things: classical physics, Schrödinger's equation, and one brand new critical rule.
Okay, first up is R3 space. This is just the world we see and experience every single day.
But behind that, there's a hidden C space. Think of it as the generator of a particle's true properties.
So how do they connect? Through this simple rule, the Relator Condition. And this changes everything.
So back to that energy puzzle. Where's the missing piece? It's all about shared frequencies. One way to calculate a particle's frequency is from its quantum action. That's our first perspective.
The other way, we just add up all its classical energy components. A totally different approach, right?
And here's the kicker. They don't match up. To make them equal, we have to add this shared frequency.
And when we solve for that term, we find the shared energy hiding in that internal C space.
And get this, the same thing happens in R3 space. There's a shared frequency here that captures their interaction.
So what does this look like? It's a real geometric overlap in C space, a physical, concrete link.
The source has this great metaphor for it. It's like a two-particle tango.
Just like dancers, particles exchange frequencies. And this dance, it's the very origin of quantum entanglement.
This creates a direct, instant link. You touch one particle, and the other one feels it through C space.
Okay, so after this tango, the particles hit a fork in the road. There are two ways this can go.
Either that shared link disappears, or it sticks around. And that persistent link, that is quantum entanglement.
So this totally reframes entanglement. It's not spooky action, it's a real geometric connection in a hidden space.
So what's the big idea here? There's just one continuous reality. Quantum isn't separate from classical physics. So let's recap. Quantum mechanics is just an extension of classical physics, unified by that one simple rule.
Which brings us back to the cave. If particles have these hidden connections, what else are we not seeing?